London for a march to show our solidarity to Kashmiri people, and I just wanted to say on this point that there's a children, there's a women's, old people. They have a one cause that we are going to show that the people who are going there, who are giving their lives from last 70 years to independence. To take independence, that if they have there's a war between India and Pakistan, there's a lot of people in the world are affected around the world. So we all want to show India that stop killing innocent people in Kashmir, and I think this is a test case for United Nations. How they take all these Kashmiri people and their sacrifices. And I also wanted to say that our Prime Minister Imran Khan said that if in Kashmir these people are not Muslims, the United Nations would have solved this problem years ago. So I think this is a serious question in front of United Nations to take all these issues very seriously, and we are different people from different parts of Pakistan, from Islamabad, from Karachi, from Lahore, and we have only one cause to show that we are with Kashmiri people, we are with Kashmiri children, and from last 30 days the Indians army in occupied Kashmir, they have a curfew, very strict curfew, where people have no access of food, of medicine, of hospitals, and I think the world they have cut off from the world, and the media have no access in Kashmir to show the world what's happening in Kashmir. So I am very concerned about the people of Kashmir, and we are demanding to United Nations, and we are showing this in the march we are going today, that the curfew have to release as soon as possible and put a pressure to India to give the basic rights to the people of Kashmir. Thank you.
मजीद वीडियो देखने से पहले अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ मौजूद बेल आइकॉन का बटन दबाएं ताकि हर नई आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके।